Hi, and welcome to Knowledgeous, where we take you on a journey through the incredible world of animals, space, medicine, weather, and the Earth. Get ready to be blown away by the most fascinating and intriguing science facts you have ever heard. But that's not all. We'll also delve into the world of inventions, chemistry, botanical wonders, technology, and so much more. You won't believe your ears when you hear some of the mind-blowing facts we have in store for you. So sit back, grab a snack, and get ready to be amazed. Always remember, the information provided by Knowledgeous is for general information and educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional advice. Today's video is all about interesting science facts about sea creatures that will blow your mind. From the mysterious giant squid that lurks in the deep sea, to the fascinating anglerfish that use their own bodies as bait, we'll be taking a deep dive into the incredible world of underwater creatures. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting adventure as we explore the most fascinating facts about sea creatures that you've ever seen. Orcas, also known as killer whales, are a species of toothed whales that belong to the dolphin family. They are known for their distinctive black and white markings, as well as their intelligence and sociability. Orcas are apex predators and are found in oceans all over the world. They have a diverse diet that includes fish, squid, and other marine mammals, including sharks. Sharks, on the other hand, are a diverse group of fish that have been around for millions of years. They come in many different shapes and sizes, and are found in almost every ocean on the planet. Sharks are also apex predators, and many species are known for their speed and agility in the water. Despite being much smaller in size, orca whales are known to take down sharks with lightning speed and precision snouts. Today we will explore the killer tactics of orca whales and how they manage to destroy sharks by swimming very fast and using their snouts to torpedo the shark's soft underside. Orca whales have developed a set of killer tactics that allow them to take down even the largest and most dangerous sharks. One of the key tactics that orcas use is their speed and agility in the water. Orcas are incredibly fast swimmers, and they are able to outpace most species of sharks. This allows them to get close to their prey and launch surprise attacks. Another key tactic that orcas use is their intelligence and cooperation. Orcas are highly social animals, and they often hunt in packs or pards. They communicate with each other using a complex system of vocalizations, and they are able to coordinate their attacks with incredible precision. This allows them to take down much larger prey than they would be able to on their own. Orcas are some of the fastest and most agile swimmers in the ocean. They are able to swim at speeds of up to 34 miles per hour, which is faster than most species of sharks. One of the key ways that orca whales are able to take down sharks is by using their snouts to torpedo the shark's soft underside. When hunting sharks, orcas will often swim directly underneath their prey and then launch themselves upwards, using their powerful tails to propel them towards the shark's soft underbelly. This attack can stun the shark and leave it vulnerable to further attacks. The impact causes the shark to explode. Another tactic that orcas use is to ram the shark from the side, using their powerful bodies to knock the shark off balance. This can cause the shark to become disoriented, making it easier for the orca to deliver the final blow. The snout of an orca whale is a powerful tool that is perfectly designed for this type of attack. It is long and pointed, with a hard, bony structure that can deliver a powerful blow. In addition, the snout is covered in sensory pits that allow the orca to detect the location and movements of its prey, even in murky water. The killer tactics of orca whales are a testament to their intelligence, speed, and agility in the water. Despite being much smaller in size than many species of sharks, orcas are able to take down even the largest and most dangerous sharks. Their use of speed and cooperation, as well as their precision snouts, make them one of the most formidable predators in the ocean. Among the many incredible creatures that roam our planet, blue whales and grey whales have always held a special place in my heart. These majestic giants are not only the largest mammals on Earth, but also possess unique characteristics and behaviors that make them truly awe-inspiring. I will take you on a journey to discover the astonishing world of blue whales and grey whales, learn about their interesting facts, unique characteristics, and conservation efforts to protect them. Blue whales and grey whales belong to the family of baleen whales, which means that they have a comb-like structure in their mouths that they use to filter food from the water. These magnificent creatures can be found in the oceans around the world, with blue whales inhabiting the southern hemisphere and grey whales inhabiting the northern hemisphere. Blue whales are the largest mammal on Earth, while grey whales are known for their long migrations of up to 12,000 miles each year. Blue whales are not only the largest mammal on Earth, but they are also the heaviest, weighing up to 150 tons when fully grown. Incredibly, blue whale calves weigh around 50 tons at birth, making them larger than any land animal. Blue whales are also known for their unique heart, which can weigh as much as a car and is so large that a human could swim through its arteries. Grey whales, on the other hand, are known for their distinctive appearance, with mottled grey skin and white patches on their backs. They are also the only baleen whale that feeds on the ocean floor, using their snouts to dislodge small creatures from the sediment. Grey whales also have a unique behavior called spy hopping, where they lift their heads out of the water to look around, giving them a better view of their surroundings. As mentioned earlier, blue whales are the largest mammal on Earth, with males growing up to 100 feet in length and females growing up to 110 feet in length. They can weigh up to 200 tons, making them heavier than any dinosaur that ever existed. Blue whales have a long, streamlined body that is blue-gray in color, with a mottled appearance caused by barnacles and other parasites that attach to their skin. One of the most unique characteristics of blue whales is their ability to produce the loudest sound in the animal kingdom. Their whistle can reach up to 188 decibels, which is louder than a jet engine, and can be heard from hundreds of miles away. Blue whales also have a distinct pattern of breathing, where they exhale through two blowholes, producing a misty spout that can reach up to 30 feet in height. Another interesting behavior of blue whales is their migration patterns. They can travel up to 10,000 miles each year, moving from the polar regions to warmer waters for breeding and feeding. During the breeding season, males will compete for the attention of females, producing loud vocalizations and even physical fights. Blue whales are also known for their unique feeding habits, where they use their baleen plates to filter krill and other small organisms from the water. Grey whales are known for their long migrations of up to 12,000 miles each year, making them the longest migrators in the animal kingdom. They travel from their breeding grounds in the Bering and Chukchi Seas to their feeding grounds in the eastern Pacific Ocean, passing through the shallow waters of the Baja California Peninsula. During their migration, grey whales can be seen breaching, spy hopping, and fluking, making them a popular attraction for whale watchers. Grey whales also have a unique behavior called mud rolling, where they roll on their sides in shallow waters to dislodge parasites and other debris from their skin. This behavior is believed to help maintain the health and cleanliness of their skin, as well as provide some relief from itching and irritation. Despite their incredible size and strength, blue whales and grey whales are facing a number of threats from human activities. One of the biggest threats is commercial whaling, which decimated the populations of both species in the early 20th century. While commercial whaling has been banned since the 1980s, some countries continue to hunt whales for scientific research, which is a loophole in the International Whaling Commission's regulations. Fortunately, there are many conservation efforts underway to protect blue whales and grey whales from these threats. One of the most important is the International Whaling Commission, which regulates whaling activities around the world. Many countries have also established protected areas for whales, such as the Marine Mammal Protection Act in the United States and the Southern Ocean Whale Sanctuary in the Southern Hemisphere. Blue whales and grey whales are truly incredible creatures that deserve our admiration and protection. Their unique characteristics and behaviors make them a fascinating subject for researchers and whale watchers alike, and their conservation is essential to maintaining the health and biodiversity of our oceans. By supporting conservation efforts and advocating for their protection, we can help ensure that these majestic giants continue to thrive for generations to come. Sharks are majestic creatures that have captivated our attention for generations, often portrayed as vicious predators with a taste for blood. While their reputation is well known, what is less understood is how sharks have evolved to have one of the best immune systems in the animal kingdom. In this article, we will explore the immune system of sharks, the latest research findings, and the potential medical breakthroughs it could lead to. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years, predating dinosaurs by over 100 million years. During this time, they have evolved to be one of the most efficient predators in the ocean, but more importantly, they have developed a robust immune system. Unlike mammals that have adaptive immune systems, sharks have a primitive immune system that relies on innate immunity. This means that their immune system does not require prior exposure to a pathogen to fight it. Instead, it has a broad range of antimicrobial peptides, complement proteins, and white blood cells that can recognize and attack foreign invaders. One of the most striking features of the shark immune system is its ability to heal quickly. Sharks have an incredibly high tolerance for pain, and their wounds heal faster than any other vertebrate. This is due to the high concentration of white blood cells in their blood, which can quickly attack and eliminate any bacteria or viruses that enter the wound. Additionally, shark skin has an antimicrobial property that prevents the growth of bacteria, making it resistant to infection. Recent research has shown that sharks have a unique type of antibody that is unlike any other animal. These antibodies, called IgNA, are much smaller and more flexible than mammalian antibodies, which means they can bind to a wider range of targets. They also have a unique structure that allows them to bind to targets that are difficult to reach, such as cancer cells. In fact, shark antibodies have been used in cancer research to deliver drugs directly to cancer cells, reducing the harmful side effects of chemotherapy. Another fascinating finding is that the shark immune system is capable of producing antibodies against antigens that are not present in their own body. This means that they can produce antibodies to fight off infections that they have never encountered before. This is a unique feature that has been studied extensively, and researchers are looking to replicate this ability in humans. The potential medical breakthroughs that could arise from studying the shark immune system are vast. Researchers are currently exploring the use of shark antibodies in the treatment of autoimmune diseases, such as rheumatoid arthritis and multiple sclerosis. Shark antibodies have also been used to detect and treat infectious diseases, such as HIV and Zika. Additionally, the shark immune system could hold the key to developing new antibiotics that are resistant to bacterial resistance. The immune system of sharks is a fascinating subject that has the potential to revolutionize the field of medicine. Sharks have evolved to have one of the best immune systems in the animal kingdom, with the ability to resist every disease. The unique features of the shark immune system, such as the IgNA antibodies and the ability to produce antibodies against unknown antigens, could lead to groundbreaking medical breakthroughs. Over the years have come to learn about the astonishing abilities of porpoises and fish. From self-recognition to parental care, these creatures have a lot to teach us about the intricacies of life. We will explore some of the most remarkable aspects of their behavior and what we can learn from them. One of the most remarkable abilities of porpoises is their capacity for self-recognition. In scientific studies, researchers have found that porpoises can be taught to recognize reflections of themselves, and some may even pose before a mirror. This is a rare ability, as self-recognition has only been observed in a few species, including humans, apes, elephants, and dolphins. The ability to recognize oneself in a mirror indicates a high level of cognitive functioning and suggests that porpoises have a sense of self-awareness. This is an important trait because it allows animals to have a better understanding of their environment and how they fit into it. It also suggests that porpoises may have a greater capacity for empathy and social interaction than previously thought. Parental care is critical for the survival of most animal species, and fish are no exception. In fact, the survival of fish offspring is heavily dependent on the care provided by their parents. Some fish species are known for their remarkable parenting skills, and male saltwater catfish are a prime example. Malay saltwater catfish keep the eggs of their young in their mouth until they are ready to hatch. During the 3-week incubation period, the male catfish will not eat, as he must constantly aerate the eggs to ensure their survival. This level of dedication to offspring is rare in the animal kingdom and highlights the importance of parental cane fish. The unique behavior of male saltwater catfish is not limited to their parenting skills. These fish have also been known to exhibit unusual reproductive behavior. In some species, males will compete with one another for the opportunity to fertilize a female's eggs. However, in the case of the saltwater catfish, the male will incubate the eggs himself. This strategy allows the male to ensure the survival of his offspring, as he can protect them from predators and other threats. It also frees the female to continue reproducing, as she does not need to devote time and energy to caring for the eggs. This is an example of how different fish species have evolved unique reproductive strategies to ensure the survival of their offspring. The reproductive abilities of fish are not limited to the number of eggs they can lay. Some species, such as the female mackerel, have developed unique strategies to ensure the survival of their offspring. Female mackerel can lay about 500,000 eggs at one time, but they do so in small batches. This allows the female to ensure that each batch of eggs has the best chance of survival, as she can monitor their development and protect them from predators. The egg-laying strategy of the female mackerel is a testament to the complex nature of fish reproduction. Female mackerel will lay their eggs in shallow waters, where they will be exposed to sunlight and oxygen. This helps to ensure their survival, as the eggs need oxygen to develop, and the sunlight helps to promote the growth of algae, which is an important food source for the developing larvae. The female mackerel will then guard the eggs until they hatch, protecting them from predators and ensuring their survival. Porpoises and fish are truly remarkable creatures, with a wide range of abilities and behaviors that continue to astound scientists and researchers. From self-recognition to parental care, these animals have a lot to teach us about the complexities of life. Giant octopus, squid, and lobster are some of the most fascinating creatures that inhabit the ocean. They are all invertebrates, which means they don't have a backbone. However, they are vastly different in terms of their physical appearance and size. Giant octopus is known to be the largest in the world, and it's no surprise considering its impressive size and weight. On the other hand, giant squid is the largest creature without a backbone, and lobster is a popular seafood delicacy that is enjoyed all over the world. Giant octopus is the largest in the world due to its unique features. It grows to the size of 30 feet wide and can weigh up to 150 pounds. One of the most striking features of the giant octopus is its beak, which is located directly under its fleshy head. The octopus mouth is a bony beak that helps it to break the shells of its prey and tear through flesh. The giant octopus has 8 tentacles, and each tentacle can have up to 280 suckers. These suckers help the octopus to grip onto its prey and overpower them. The octopus also has excellent vision and can change its color to blend in with its surroundings, making it a master of disguise. Giant squid is the largest creature without a backbone, and it can weigh up to 3 tons and grow up to 60 feet. This makes it almost as large as the giant octopus. The giant squid has 2 long tentacles and 8 shorter arms that it uses to catch its prey. The giant squid has a unique feature called the funnel, which is located near its head. This funnel helps the squid to move through the water by sucking in water and then pushing it out. The giant squid also has a sharp beak that it uses to break open the shells of its prey. Giant octopus and squid have several similarities, such as their size, weight, and the fact that they are both invertebrates. On the other hand, it takes a lobster about 7 years to grow to weigh 1 pound, and during this time, it molds its exoskeleton several times. One of the most interesting facts about lobster is that its blood color is clear. However, when the blood is exposed to oxygen, it turns blue. Lobsters can grow up to 3 feet long and weigh up to 44 pounds. While the giant octopus and giant squid are almost as large as each other, the lobster is significantly smaller. However, it's important to note that size isn't everything, and each of these creatures has its unique features that make it fascinating. After exploring the features of giant octopus, squid, and lobster and comparing them, it's clear that the giant squid is the largest creature without a backbone. However, while the lobster is significantly smaller than the giant octopus and squid, it's still a fascinating creature. The ocean is a vast and mysterious place, full of incredible creatures and fascinating science facts. From the bioluminescent creatures that light up the deep ocean to the top predators that rule the waves, there is so much to discover and appreciate in the ocean. However, it is also important to remember that by taking steps to protect ocean creatures and their habitats, we can help ensure that the ocean remains a source of wonder and amazement for generations to come. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe.